Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Citric TV. If you're stopping by for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so whenever you get updates on all our videos. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you an upgraded version of our magic pink lip balm. Yes, we've done a video on pink lip balm before in our channel. If you scroll down, you see it there. So this is the upgraded version, especially for those who may want to do it in large quantity. Now, what we'll be needing is our Carowhite. See, we've not opened it. This is Carowhite cream. You'll be needing alpha arbutin serum, Carotone oil. It's sealed. You can see we've not opened it. Carotone serum, we need this, Betasol, we need one of this, Grapeseed oil. You can use any oil you want, but I use my Grapeseed oil. And then we need this to go with. Okay, you can get any of these from your local cosmetics shop. We need one. We were using this much because we're trying to do a large quantity. Okay, like a cup of this. And then this is my citric acid. We need a little of this. You can see how it sits. We need our citric acid and Kogic acid too, just a little of this. So the ingredient we're using for this is Carowhite cream, arbutin serum, Carotone oil, Betasol oil, Grapeseed oil, Kogic acid, and citric acid. You can also use your preservative if you have, and if you want to use fragrance, you can also use it. It's optional. I have little here, so I'm using a little of this fragrance. Okay, so here we go. This is a bowl. I'm using a bowl. Get your big bowl and your spoon. Okay. Please don't forget to hit on the notification bell to whenever you get updates each time we upload a video. So this is it, Carowhite. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're on Instagram at Citric TV. You can follow my private account at Elijah Emomotimi Rachel. For those of you who want to do this in large quantity, probably you may want to sell, then yeah, just you can use. If you want to do even more, then all you have to do is multiply these ingredients. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Next thing you go is add your oil. This is a grapeseed oil. Grapeseed. And then add your, I think you saw when I opened this thing, so it won't look as if I packaged other things in it and then trying to deceive the public. And then our Betasol. Then you stir. stirring, mix everything together. Mix very well. You can use your cream mixer. You can get this ingredient from your local market, your local cosmetics shop. These are ingredients you can easily come by. It's not difficult at all. You can check out my business page at Citric Skin Glue to see most of those products there. You can see, next thing you want to do, add a little of this citric acid. And your Kogic acid. 1 spoon is okay. And just make sure you stir everything very well. This will help exfoliate the lip and give you that pink lip you desire. Remember the first video we did, we used the natural home remedy, which had to do with using your beetroot. Use beetroot oil powder for that, but this is it, okay? And then next thing you want to do is add your arbutin serum. You can use arbutin powder if you want, but I prefer this. This is my own method, okay? This is how I make my pink lip balm. Add this to it. You can also get this from your local cosmetics shop. You can see it. And then add you add this. Very easy to make. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates. More interesting videos are coming. Trust me. So this is it. So the next thing you have to do is mix it thoroughly, okay? So you get that pink, like pink cream color, okay? You can see. The purpose of adding those oil we added is to help moisturize the lip, to make it soft, not just making it pink, but to get that soft pink lip. If you don't add oil, you get your pink lip there. Your lip will look somehow dry and cracky, so you don't want that. Here we go. Our pink lip balm is ready. So what you have to do, add preservative if you want, and fragrance if you want, perfume. So I'll just add a little drop of this, my fragrance. It's okay. There are different kind of fragrance in the market, so you get any one of your choice, any one you like. So this is the making of our pink lip balm. See it? Oh, it's so nice. Oh my goodness. This is it. I'm sure you love it. So make yours for those of you who may want to start a business or you don't know what to do. I think this is cheap and easy to start. You can start pink lip balm business. Do it online if you don't have a shop. You can deliver from your home. Right? Business idea appearing. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.